Welcome, my name is Max Hackman, and today we're going to learn how to do a basic search for ebooks. The first thing we're going to want to do is to scroll down to the main page here and look for the database link. Once we go in there, we'll bring up the databases in an A to Z list. We're going to look in the E's under the ebook collection, should be the first one here. I've already logged in. If you have any trouble logging into the databases, please let us know. We have a tutorial and we can also help you through email and chat for that. Once you get into the ebook collection here, the subject categories are here on the side. If you'd like to search that way, there's also some highlights on the front page here, kind of the featured ebooks, so you kind of have your choice. Let's go into do a search here. Let's try photography. As you can see, all kinds of different suggestions pop up with that, so let's just check that. If you ever have any problems finding results for that, that's a great way to kind of help with that, is to look at the suggested topics. Once we get in here, we have the limiters here on the side to narrow down your results. Downloads available, let's go ahead and select that. And it didn't get rid of too many results, but it did narrow it down a little bit. I'll go ahead and select this first book here. If you select on the title, that should provide you with all the background information on the book, the detailed record. You can see the description of the book. The full download is available over here on the side. Table of contents as well. If you look on the right hand side, the tools that we've seen before are available. So the citation, you can have the citation already created for you, so a good place to start. Remember, these are machine generated, so there may be some errors in them. Be sure to double check that. If you want to go into the PDF full text, you can see the entire document available for you right here. If you are worried that in the future you're not going to have access to the internet and you want to download this to your hard drive, you can certainly go ahead and do that. Over here to the right hand side of the page is the full download button. If you have not signed in and created an account, you'll need to do so to be able to download. Let's go in here to sign in. I've already created an account. The create account is right here, but I've already done that. Just remember that the username is not your email, that you'll have to create your own specific username, so remember that, and that should help you log in. That was one of the problems that I was having, but once you log in, you'll have the ability to download. Give it a second here. You will need to have Adobe Digital Editions. I end up installing that as well. Pretty straightforward and simple. Even if you don't have access to admission rights on the device you're using, you can still, there's another way to use that as well. It's going to download in a PDF, and this is recommended for the desktops, which it's currently using. Go ahead and select full download. It is downloading right here. We'll give it a second, and we'll select the full download. Adobe Digital Editions is already associated with that. I wanted to show you guys this right here. We don't have an ebook vendor, so you just want to go ahead and authorize the computer without an ID. This is kind of telling you what is going to happen and that what happens when you authorize it. Go ahead and authorize that, making it available on this computer here. Say OK. And give it a second as it downloads the content. If you have any questions or problems, issues with this in the future, please reach out and let us know, and we will do our best to help you. Thank you again.